Welcome to our stand at the Caravan Saloon in Düsseldorf. My name is Koen and I will tell you about our company Inno-Slide. The shift to electric or hydrogen power to drive vehicles is more than a trend. It is the future. From the year 2035 and in some cases already 2030, all new cars sold in the European Union will be required to be emission-free. An agreement on this has been reached in Brussels between the European Parliament and all member states. Adding these new propulsion systems to a vehicle means in any case adding more weight. Adding more weight also means that the range of a vehicle is less. Also, with electric drive systems, the driver needs to frequently charge the battery of the vehicle. The industry is therefore looking for solutions to significantly reduce weight to mitigate this problem. Implementing slide-outs in a vehicle can support the industry to save weight significantly. At the moment, the only way to make a vehicle larger is expanding it in the length, which means adding extra steel for the chassis, extra walls, floors and ceiling. All of course adding weight. Slide-outs can add extra space without adding much extra weight. In most cases, slide-outs can reduce the weight of a vehicle notably, while also adding up to 30% extra living space. Depending on the size of the vehicle, as a slide-out is often situated in the hallway of a vehicle when it is retracted and creates the hallway when it slides out. The space that a slide-out creates is highly effective. Inno-Slide develops and produces slide-outs for caravans, motorhomes and campervans. We are the first company in Europe to design and produce high-quality slide-outs for mass production that meets the quality demands in our industry. They do not leak because of the rounded corners and specially designed automotive seals. And they are light-weighted and flush with the outside wall of the vehicle. Also, our slide-outs are developed in a way that they are easy to service and maintain, important to guarantee a long-time operation without problems. We are designers and they've built up the experience with slide-outs. We can and have designed slide-outs to the wishes of customers and are also able to advise our customers with making the most efficient floor plans and on how to implement a slide-out in their production process. We not only design and produce the slide-out itself, but we also design the infinite possibilities our customers can create with using a slide-out. For example, we design bed couch constructions and have many more solutions to offer. Inno-Slide has an instruction facility where we train our customers on how to install and maintain our slide-outs. Next to this, we always support our customers with the first installation at their own location to prevent wrong installation and ensure the optimal working of our product. We can produce slide-outs with a dimension of up to 4 by 2 meters and with a maximum travel length of 1 meter. Our bigger slide-outs are operated with 4 individual motors which are synchronized by a central controller. This particular caravan has increased in floor space by 30% and can have a maximum load of at least 1000 kilos. The walls are made of honeycomb material which provides great insulation. The slide-out can be shipped fully assembled or as a kit with all the necessary parts. The automotive seal ensures the slide-out is completely waterproof. The slide-out is designed with easy maintenance in mind. For example, you can retract the slide-out to the interior so you can replace the seal without removing the whole slide-out. For the growing market in camper vans, we have designed a compact slide-out especially for vans. The slide-out in this example enables you to make a queen-size bed and also still walk around the bed. The slide-out is powered by an electric motor but can also be manually operated. With our patented brackets, it is easy to install in the cutout of the side windows and therefore does not need any changes to the chassis of the vehicle. And of course, it is also designed with maintenance in mind, enabling easy access to replace the seal and other parts. We currently offer 2 models, one for the Mercedes Sprinter and one for the Fiat Ducato family. More models are in development. For more information, please visit our website at innoslide.com. We are looking forward to seeing you on our stand next year.